Okay, so at this point, so how to change service charge in the Bertan? So easy lang siya. Open your portal here. So ganito, how to change your service charge kanyan, i-click mo yung service charge. So example, for the common service charge domestic, so naging service charge is 500, you could change again, you could change this one. By clicking this part, you have to change edit. For example, ang service charge mo ay 150 or 200. Kanyan, for child, 150. Kanyan, ikaw ang madidepende sa inyo kung how much your service charge. Okay, click proceed para ma-edit siya. And this is only for domestic. So how about international? So for international example, if you want to edit again, this one is 500 as my service or for international, just click here, edit, then proceed. Okay. So what then by airline services? So why? Service, airline-wise service charge po. For example, you're referring to particular airline. Ganyan. Okay? Or adult service charge. For example, this one. Okay, let's have PAL. Philippine. Okay. Okay. Okay, fly Dubai, fly Wex, fly ganyan. Hong Kong Airlines, ganyan. Okay, L, O, P. Okay, PAL. So example, your adult service charge. So, for all service charges here, kapag nagbubook ka ng PAL, yan ang service charge niya. So that is airline-wise service charge. So may specific ka po na PAL. For PAL only, your service charge is like this. So service charge amounts updated is single passenger and per sector. And the modified service charges will be added to gross amount with search availability. So for all code share flights, the markup will be added based on validating career marketing. Okay. For hotel, do not forget to add your service charge. And for example, this one, for domestic, nag-add ako ng service charge. Okay. I'll just cross this 200 when I search that one in the here. Okay, nabubo ka ng ticket. Manila to Tagbilaran. Okay. For example, ngayong July. Or makikita natin yung mga possible na prices plus the big Bianco fee and your service charge. Sample, okay, so in June 8, okay, June 8, take note, my service charge is 200, nakalagay doon. If we're going to search just one, okay, example, 1,906. So, mababawas lang sa portal mo, 1,906, okay, minus 200. So, 1,706 lang ang mababawas sa portal. So, the amount pa portal. So, you can find in 1,707 para wag naman exact, may piso lang siya para hindi siya mag-error. So, kanya lang ang pag-i-edit or pag-request or pag-change ng service charge. Okay.